Hello, welcome to Easy IELTS, and today is lesson number 7, and this is the last lesson of Task 2 writing. Okay, so after this lesson, I'm going to have 1 or 2 lessons on grammar and sentence structure for you to write Task 2. And today we're going to look at this type of questions, a two-part question. Like they're going to ask you two questions, and the structure that we use is just for introduction. First, paraphrase topic, and then answer the question right here. Body 1, you answer question number 1. Body 2, answer question number 2. And for conclusion, just rewrite the introduction. So the topic for today is, in recent years, the structure of a family and the role of its members are gradually changing. What kind of change can occur? Do you think the change are positive or negative? Okay, so we go into outlines the body 1 and body 2. In body 1, we're talking about the change. The change about like family structures and the role, the two changes. Body 2, we talk about both negative and positive. For family structure, before 3 or 4 generations, one house, now only 2 generations or 1 person households. Explain and cost of living and prevent people have the many children. The role, before man is top of the family, women do the housework. Now women have degree, they have career, and they set the cost in the family. For body 2, we talk about positive. Children of small family have better education, have chance to study overseas, have better job. For the negative, mom and dad busy, have no time for children. So this is the outline. Okay, so we start with writing the introduction. In the past few decades, you can say something like that, the structure of family and the responsibility of its member are really altered. Okay, we're talking about the structure of family and the roles. There are some important changes that taken place, and I believe these changes would have both benefits and drawbacks. So that is our introduction. Okay, so now we're going to start writing body 1. First, we talk about family structures, and then we talk about the role. Family arrangements have undergone two men different compared to the past. So I have two men different compared to the past. Okay. In terms of family size, a few decades ago, there were normally 3 or 4 generations living under the same roof, like in the same house. These days, however, nuclear family, like small family, and one-person household are becoming increasingly popular. The cost of living has risen considerable and prevent people from having too many children. Okay, that's idea number 1. Number 2, the role. Regarding the responsibility of a family member, father traditionally take on the role of primary breadwinners, like people who provide food and everything, while the job of homemaker is done by the mothers. Many women in today's society have the opportunity to gain qualification and pursue their own careers, and family financial burden are now shared by both father and mother. Set of family costs. So that is body number 1. And now body number 2, we're going to talk about the positive and negative. So in my opinion, the change would have both positive and negative consequences. The major benefits is children of small family are given better education opportunities. Many children have chance to study abroad and gain international qualification, which would ensure them a better job after graduation. Okay, continue. However, working parents are now too busy to take care of their offspring and children. we don't want to repeat the children, you can say offspring. Without parental care and guidance, children may suffer from various problems, ranging from this to this. Some children even engage in criminal activities such as illegal drugs use or gambling, which may ruin their future. Give an example for this one. That's body number 2. And for conclusion, just rewrite the introduction. So in conclusion, there are several gen family structure and the role is member. And I would argue that the gen are both benefits and detrimental. Okay, just repeat the introduction. And this is the entire essay. Make sure to write them down, study them, and study the structure. And that is the final lesson of Task 2 writing. So after this lesson, I'm going to make a 1 or 2 lessons on grammar, and then I will go into make more lesson on more advanced, like more detailed writing Task 2. So hope you like my videos, give me a comment, share, and that's it. Give me a like. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again soon.